Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to apply for DoorDash Crimson card. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to the Dasher app and log into your account. Once logged in, at the bottom menu you'll see the earnings tab. Tap on it, and then over there you'll see the option DoorDash Crimson. Open it up. Now all you'll have to do is to follow the on-screen instructions and it will be applied. Also make sure that there will be no credit check, but you will need to verify your identity. So to follow the instructions you will need two things: your personal information and also your government ID. So for the personal information, make sure you have your full name, your address, your social security number, and also your Dasher profile. And for the government ID, you might be asked to upload a verified government issued ID for verification. Most of the times the application is immediate, but in some cases it can take up to 3 business days. Now once the application is complete, you will get a virtual card and you will also get a physical card within 7 to 10 business days. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.